Hello everyone, how are you guys? I hope you all guys doing great and welcome back once again my YouTube channel English Journey with you. And today we gonna talk about my daily routine, and it's not a my daily routine. It should be your daily routine also. It could be your daily routine also. So try to make your daily routine, and with the help of daily routine you can make sentence, and you should know how to make sentence and sentence structure, sentence formation. Okay, and today I'm going to talk about my daily routine, which is very help to me stay productive, organized, and on top of my all tasks through the day. So this is very beneficial for me. So before getting into the video, I want to talk about some important things. If you are going to talk about your daily routine, you should know how to speak and how to make sentence structures. So there we can use only present tense. Okay, so it's a very easy and very interesting. Now you have to need only present tense, like that: I eat, I sleep, I play, I cook, I beat, I watch, I sit. So that's very easy now. So and another thing is that you have to need only subject. So what is subject here? Here subject is only I. Yes, you can use only I in order to speak my daily routine, in order to speak daily regime. So routine and regime both are same and similar. Okay, you want to speak about your daily routine, so you should know how to make sentence of present tense. So present tense is very simple. You can use only I and simple form, first form of verb. Okay, and second thing is that when we talk about our daily routine, so we use lot of time after that. So you have no need to repeat many time after that. There is lot of alternative. You can use usually, sometime, generally, and maybe later on. So you can use lot of alternative, and it seems very awkward when you use many time after that. Okay, so after watching this video you can create your own daily routine. Okay, and I hope you will be create your own daily routine, and this video is going to be very helpful for you in order to speak your daily routine, in order to tell your daily routine. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So I usually wake up 6 o'clock, and I stay in bed for a while before leaving the bed, and I rub my palm grossly and place it place it on my face. After a place my palm, I feel very relaxed, as I know that it's very beneficial for your blood circulation and for your feel you relax and get your energy, get you wake up your senses. So it's a so as I know it's a very beneficial for your skin. So after rubbing my palm on my face, I feel very energetic and very enthusiasm. Yes friend, and within a half an hour I get up. Before going into the washroom, I firstly prefer wash my face. So it's my daily routine, and I usually use this technique, use this process. I before going to the washroom, I wash my face. Okay, and within 1 hour I get freshen up, take shower, and I get dressed, and I apply some face product on my face, and after that I comb my hair. So it's my daily routine. And before doing after doing all this thing, I enter into the kitchen and I see what's the vegetable and what's the thing for today. So I prepare breakfast, I prepare lunch also for tiffin. So it's I started cooking. After preparing, I enter into the bedroom. I get up my child and I get it them to for their school, and they take breakfast, and I also join to them and enjoy breakfast. After taking breakfast, I enter into the my room, and that time it's a my time. This time is my time, and I always try to make myself feel free, and I take out some time for myself and developing some skill for myself. And sometime I shoot video, sometime I practice, and sometime I read some book. And after 2 hours, I enter into the kitchen and I start cooking. So I start cooking, and while lunch is cooking, I make my room clean up and I tidy up my room. So tidy up means clean up your room, where you can place all these things in organized manner, and I place all these things in their proper place. Where after the lunch is cooked, and I take lunch, and after that I pick up my kids from their school, and when they come and they watch TV while taking some snacks, and while intake some fruits and some snacks, some milk. Sometimes they prefer milk. So it's their daily routine. And within a 1.5 hour, we enter into the bedroom. We go to the bedroom and we take nap for 1.5 hour. And at 4 o'clock, I make some snacks. I make some snacks, and my children also enjoy snacks, and they take snacks, and sometimes they take milk, sometimes they sometimes they prefer chocolate milk, sometimes they prefer any milk. So they have a lot of option. So I offer to them which they want. At 6 o'clock I go for jog, and I exercise for feel myself free, feel myself relax and energetic. And for refreshing, I do exercise daily. So it's my daily regime. At night I entered into the kitchen and I start cooking. While cooking, I listen some podcasts, some videos, sometime I watch movie. When dinner is cooking, that time I watch some video. And at 8 o'clock we take dinner, and at 9 o'clock I help my kids to their homework. Yes. And at 10 o'clock we hit the hack, and it means we go to the bed. We go to the bed, and I set my alarm for the morning, and I sleep at 10:30. Yes. So it's my daily regime. So it's not fixed. Sometimes it's up and down according to circumstance, according to situation. So in future I don't know when I get job and when I will be get job. So that time maybe it's a different. So I hope you enjoy my daily routine. If you enjoy my daily routine, so try to make your own daily routine and try to create your own daily routine, and it would be very beneficial for you in order to speaking, in order to learn this language, and in order to make sentence structure. Yes friends, and remember one thing, do this technique daily, because if you make your daily routine, it's a very beneficial for making your day productive, organized, and do all the tasks in sequence, and do this technique daily. Yes, it's a really beneficial for you in order to speaking. If you like this video, subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed, and if you have subscribed my channel, so like, share in your friends. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep smiling, and best wishes from my side. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.